So dear students, you can see here the slide related to fundamental rights. Fundamental rights, the nation's stability, protection of citizens' freedom and democracy are protected through fundamental rights. There are 6 types of fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right, and right to constitutional remedies are the 6 fundamental rights. Let's have a glance on these 6 fundamental rights. First, we have a right to equality. Right to equality, article number 14 to 18. Here you can see the article number 14 to 80 are considered right to equality. And right to equality prohibits inequality on the basis of caste, religion, place of birth, race and gender. It ensures equal right for all citizens. Equality before law and equal protection of law included in this right. According to this right, no person shall be shown favoritism on the basis of color, caste, creed, etc. Law is equal for all. From the peon to prime minister, law is equal to all. Next, we have a equal admittance of public places. That every law should be equally disseminated and every person shall have equal admittance of public places like shop, restaurant, hotel, public entertainment places, have equal access to roads, lakes and use of public wells and bathing ghats. The state has made special arrangement for women and children. Special arrangement for women and children for the development, for their development, for the development of socially backward, socially and economically or educationally backward classes. Some special arrangement has been made by the government so that they can live a better life. So no discrimination should be applied. We can say that in the matter of caste, color, religion, etc. No citizen shall be discriminated on the basis of caste, color, creed, religion, place of birth in respect of any government services and higher education under the state. Next, we have untouchability. Untouchability is abolished and its practice is any form is prohibited and punishable offense. So dear students, we all know that in olden days how the people who belongs to lower class, they are treated very badly. They are treated like servant by the upper class people. So this type of practice is considered punishable offense. Next, we have a titles and epithet has been